going back to the 1940s here as the F-35 taxis by. You're going to get to see stark contrast between what was good then and what is great now. And from the right, here come the Jersey Jerks. Buzz Cortese, Kevin Russo, John Tremper, and Gavin Nagle here in the diamond formation. The Jersey Jerks began informally flying together at the annual World War II Airshows in Geneseo, New York, starting back in the 1980s. Now, over the years, and with lots of training, practice, and finally formation certification, it was the second general who explained why he got wounded as we see the Jersey Jerks coming inbound to the next time. This will be the fingertip pass. Coming in from the right, Buzz Cortese, Kevin Russo, Gavin Nagle, the Jersey Jerks. Half of the airplane was shot down and it was going along. Half was shot down, the other half flew away. No, it didn't work that way. What it meant was that somebody else started the battle and you finished it, or the other way around. You shared the kill with another pilot. From the right, ladies and gentlemen, in the trail formation, the North American AT-6 SNJ getting ready to come in here in the trail formation. General Donald J. Strait was inducted into the New Jersey Aviation Hall of Fame back in 1989, and as a lifelong New Jersey resident, he flew west in 2015 at the age of 97. By Town Square Media. Thank you so much. You can see them breaking away here. They're setting up for a strafing run. Yeah, you might not believe it, but there were third world nations out there. There are third world countries out there. And what they did was they equipped these aircraft with guns and bomb racks, and they were actually used as close ground support aircraft. If you ever get the opportunity to fly in one of these aircraft, I highly recommend it. I always thought of it as a lumbering beast. Oh no, this airplane will surprise you. The missing man formation was created. Now you'll look off to the east there in the clouds. This is the Jersey Jerks. They are coming in to do their dedication to those who have made the ultimate sacrifice. They are going to do the missing man pass. with the Missing Man Dedication Pass, dedicated to all those who have given the ultimate. Brits are going to be coming in for their landing. All right, there they are, trail formation. Watch the break. What they're going to do is the lead pilot will peel off, and then they will peel off at 3-second intervals. The idea here being to give them space so that they can safely land their airplane without having to worry about the pilot in front of them. There's the first, there's the second, there's the third break. That's Buzz Cortese, John Tremper, and Gavin Nagle getting ready to land. Wheels are down, and they're going to be rolling in here. Everybody else is going to land behind him. Pay attention to this. There will be a quiz after the show tonight. I'm kidding. I wouldn't do that to you. All right, from the right. Here come the Jersey Jerks in for a landing. Notice he's a little on the high side. He's set up beautifully, got the runway made. Now he's going to hold power and maintain his altitude as he, well, basically buzzes the runway. There we go. Floaty, floaty, floaty. Now he's going to touch down way off to our left. Here comes Jersey Jerk number 2. This one is going to land a little closer in. And you can see the last plane in the group there. We always call the tail of the formation, the last guy in it, tail end Charlie. And he was the one who usually caught most of the flack, as well as